The storm's coming. Look at little Lucy. Such a cutie poo. Look at the stormy sky. Yep. We are going to have a big, lovely rainstorm. And they say that it might last to all the way to like rain today and then rain Monday and Tuesday, which would be lovely. You know, this year I moved here in 2022 and we got a lot more rain in the spring of 2023 and 2024. This year it's been super dry and everything is just now coming out. Oh, hush, puppy, such boys playing basketball. But yeah, the storms in the desert, man. Look at this. Storms in the desert. May the 4th be with you guys. Wherever you are. I hope that you're appreciating spring. I hope you feel loved. I hope you feel that you're needed and that you have a place in this world. My little puppy had a birthday today. Little Beatrice is a year old today. May the 4th be with you. She was born on the 4th, May 4th. And Lucy is a little over 3. So my puppies are all grown up, and I'm sure Beatrice will be a puppy for another year, but seems like yesterday that we lost Remus and my little miniature shepherd. We had him for 11 months. He died suddenly. Some terrible disease. What are you doing? Beatrice, what are you trying to get at? What you trying to get at, huh? What you doing, puppy? What you doing, puppy? Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Namaste, y'all. I hope you're having a blessed day. I hope you appreciate everything. And you know what? There's a lot of change happening now. Be gentle with yourself and others. Just do the next right thing. Namaste.